Okay, now we'll talk about how describe images is scored. Now, scoring of describe image is not any different than the scoring of other questions. As you can see here, we have three criteria: content, pronunciation, and oral fluency. And you can also see the scoring is 0 to 5 for pronunciation, 0 to 5 for fluency. But unlike in repeat sentence, you have 5 points for content in describe image. But how describe image scoring is different as compared to the other question types in speaking? The most important thing you need to remember here is describe image does not contribute to any other sections. That means what you do in describe image stays in speaking. You will not have any impact on reading, listening, or writing as you had in case of other questions. But what does that practically mean in case of the score you are looking for? What that means is in describe image, as long as you have some key points from the image and you can maintain your fluency and can speak with good pronunciation, you will get maximum possible score from this question. So it is more important for you to maintain your fluency and pronounce clearly and then get enough content from the image. But how do you do that? What is the best way to maintain fluency? How can you make sure that pronunciation score is always high? The best and the shortest path to getting high score in describe image is using a template. The beauty of a template is it gives you enough time to think what you are going to say next. Or in other words, after finishing one sentence, you don't really need to think what you are going to say in the second sentence. And when you're saying those memorized lines, you get enough time to look at the image and get the keywords as you need to complete the template. So in the next video where I'm talking about how to use the template for describe image, pay special attention to how to get the content, and then with the help of that also try to enhance your score in pronunciation and fluency as well.